Hi guys. Okay, so I'm going to try to do what I was trying to do before, but I think that the library's Wi-Fi wasn't working very well with this whole trying to computers and sharing and all this stuff that I was trying. So I wanted to clarify a few things that you guys were asking me about the direct object pronoun. Okay, so one of the things that we saw in the exercises that I wanted to write for you was the tomates. So it was about buying tomatoes. So I remember the lady in the exercise was saying, go and buy the tomatoes. Okay, so yo compro los tomates. Now, here with los tomates, we have the example that we were saying, I buy, let's put tomatoes instead of los, and that way it's shorter so we can make it fit there. So this tomates or tomatoes is I buy them. And here came the tricky part. This them, the tomatoes, is a thing. And because it's a thing, we have to think always in that Spanish way that, okay, things have gender. So I'm going to say lo, la, los, las. Okay, so same with this direct object pronouns. Okay, so yo, and then what we said, it goes before the verb. Compro, what do you buy? You buy them. Let's do here. Los compro. Yo los compro. If you were going to buy bananas, las bananas, right? So that would be feminine. So yo, and then you have compro, and that's where you have las, because it's bananas. Yo las compro. Okay. Going back to what we were saying in class, I remember, I think it was Tamara that was asking, let's divide the two, first the subject and then the object, so you will see, or you will just review in your mind what the two things are. So we have I, you, he, she, we, you, and they. All of these guys go to the first part of the sentence. So she, let's say, sees her. Okay, so the guys that I just showed you now, these are these guys, and these are the subject. So she sees her. However, her is the object. Okay, and in this case is the direct object, which is the one that we're seeing now, that answers the question, whom do you see? Her. Okay, so if we put that in Spanish, ella, okay, she, and then we have sees, ve, but the thing is that that goes here. Okay, that's the thing, that she sees her, that her will go before the verb in Spanish. Therefore, let's just erase this a little bit. So we're still going to put that there. I love this thing. And we're going to see la. Okay. Her. Ella la ve. Okay. So one thing is she, ella, and the other thing is her. That's what you're getting confused with. Which one is talking about whom? That's why I like to say whom, see? Because the whom is this part here. Okay? So now let's put them here. Now, so these are the direct object pronouns, the ones that go at the second part of the sentence, right? So let's start, for example, with me. Tú, let's say, hablas, okay? You talk to me, okay? Then, to me, me. Huh? Actually, that's not a very good example, but that's okay. Move on. That's okay. Don't worry about that. Let's stick with the ver, o mirar. Tú miras. Let's say you see them. Tú los miras. Now, these los could be libros. It could be chicos, boys, chicos, oops. Okay, so it could be a person or people, chicos, all guys, or books. Okay, so libros. Now, let's say we're going to erase this, and we're going to say, instead of libros, and we're going to change this one too. So we're going to say chicas. I'm going to put it in red so we see the difference. So chicas, therefore, it will be tú las miras. You're seeing them. And let's say that you see houses, casas. Tú las miras. You're looking at them. Tú las miras. O tú las ves. Muy bien. I hope this helps a little bit. I'm going to make it short to see if I can save it and send it. Because today is like this big new technology day that I'm just trying all these things in the car. Okay. And see how that goes. Okay. I'll see you el miércoles. Adios. Okay, now I have to turn this off. Bear with me. There you go.